everybody! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny and ang topic natin today is about tips to maintain your fast shipping performance. Kung kayo po ay Shopee seller, of course, gusto nyong ma-enjoy ang 1% commission fee discount plus additional marketing benefits ng fast shipping program. And if you wanted that, dapat ma-make sure mo na ma-maintain ang iyong fast shipping performance based na rin sa Shopee's requirement. If you would like to know more details about the fast shipping program, please do check this video. Available yan sa ating channel. Lahat ng details about the fast shipping program, diniscuss natin dyan and for sure maiintindihan mo at ng mga tao mo. As part of best practice, syempre first tip ko sa inyo, understand the fast shipping program. Actually, hindi lang kayo. Dapat kung meron po kayong mga tao na responsible in managing your order fulfillment, importante na naiintindihan nila kung ano ba yung fast shipping program. You have to be mindful of booking cut-off hours kasi dyan binibase ng Shopee if you meet the criteria to be part of the fast shipping program. Para mas maintindihan natin kung paano ba kinakalculate yung duration para matagka as fast shipping, kinuha ko tong illustration coming from the Shopee Seller Education Hub. So, mag-sample tayo ngayon. So, sample tayo ng first order natin. Merong umorder sa atin kahapon. Ayan, kahapon ng 4 p.m. So, pumasok yung order ng 4 p.m. and then, meron tayong time ngayon from 4 p.m. yesterday until 4 p.m. today na i-arrange yung kanyang order. And then, once na ma-arrange natin yan, automatic, dapat ma-ship din natin yan the current day until 9 p.m. Kasi yung mga couriers ngayon sa Shopee, they have a maximum pickup time until 9 p.m. every day. Unless merong announcement na magbabago ng schedule. But every day, they can pick up until 9 p.m. So, gano'n nag-work yung fast shipping. Kumbaga, kailangan kapag pumasok yung order as much as possible within the day, ma-arrange mo siya at mapapick up mo siya. Pero kung pumasok naman siya ng late, katulad nung sample natin dito, pumasok yung order ng 4 p.m. ng hapon. Siyempre, kung ikaw seller, magpapak ka pa and everything, or uwian na ng mga tao mo, hindi na aabot ng within that day, diba? Kaya merong allotted time na binigay si Shopee na if pumasok yan ng 4 p.m. onwards, meron ka namang hanggang the next day until 4 p.m. para i-arrange yan at ma-ship mo rin yung item within that day. Actually, na-discuss ko na to dito sa video na to. Again, if you would like to refresh your knowledge or kung gusto mong ma-inform yung tao mo, ipanood mo lang tong video na to. For sure ako maiintindihan niya kung ano ba yung cut-off hours na sinasabi ko at mga requirements about the fast shipping program. Tip number 2, practice proper prioritization of your orders to allow for same-day shipment. Under nito, syempre dapat you are doing your regular inventory para maiwasan yung delay in fulfillment at yung mga cancellations. Kung wala na kayong stocks, make sure na updated yung product listings nyo para hindi kayo magkaroon ng penalty sa non-fulfillment rate ninyo or yung late shipment rate kasi that will affect that rate kapag kayo ay nagkakaroon ng cancellations or nagkakaroon ng late fulfillment. Since isa ito sa mga criteria ng Shopee, dapat aware kayo na laging on time yung inyong fulfillment. Next is utilize the mass shipping feature. You can arrange all the orders in just one click para naman mas efficient. Next is prepare single item order first. Maximize nyo po yung paggamit ng filter sa mass ship page ng Shopee kung saan pwede nyong i-filter lahat ng orders with single item para ma-priority nyo ang pag-prepare and again, to make the process organized and easier and para sa akin, para din maiwasan nyo yung pagkakamali sa pagpapack ng orders. Kasi minsan, na-overlook yan ng mga tao or even tayo as a seller kung tayo yung gumagawa ng packing kapag meron ba siyang kasamang iba pang item. Kaya to make sure na hindi kayo malito at ma-organize nyo, utilize nyo po yung prepare single item filter available sa mass ship page ng Shopee. Also, available din doon yung pag-arrange ng order in batches. Isang click nyo lang, pwede nyo pong i-arrange lahat ng orders ninyo. And then, keep best-selling items near the fulfillment area. Yung mga best-selling products po ninyo, make sure na meron kayong on hand para you can arrange and ship them within the cut-off hours. Medyo challenging nga to para dun sa mga sellers na nagpi-pre-orders kasi, syempre, ang requirements po dito is kailangan mabilis kang mag-ship ng orders mo. And if you are doing a pre-order, this will be a challenge for you. But then again, meron pa rin namang for sure na solution on that. So, just take note na meron kasing cut-off hours pagdating sa fulfillment performance dito sa fast shipping program. Next tip is updated information. Make sure na updated yung pickup address ninyo, updated ang contact number, kasi kapag yan hindi updated, syempre magkakaroon agad ng delay. And para maiwasan nyo rin yung failed pickup ng mga couriers due to seller not being available. Kaya make sure na updated lahat yung information na yan. You can also dedicate a person in charge para magkaroon ng instant communication yung courier sa tao ninyo. Hindi na nila kailangang kumbaga meron ng professional relationship na, okay, pipikapin ko ng ganyang oras yung mga item dyan sa inyo. Mga ganong scenario. Just to make sure lang na hindi magkaroon ng delay sa pag-pick up kasi napaka-importante, again, ng fulfillment performance para maging part kayo ng fast shipping program at ma-enjoy nyo yung mga benefits like yung nabanggit ko kanina na 1% commission fee discount and additional marketing benefits. And then tip number 4, maximize the drop-off service. Kung merong malapit sa area nyo at hindi naman hassle on your part, then you may choose to do the drop-off service para wala talagang delay. Kasi kayo mismo yung may control kung kailan nyo ba i-drop off ang inyong mga orders. And then last but not the least is the follow packaging guidelines. So make sure na tama ang inyong packaging sa mga orders sa inyo para maiwasan again yung pag-reject ng couriers once na nag-pick up sila. Kasi minsan may mga cases na kapag mali yung packaging nyo, hindi po nila yan tatanggapin. Not because ayaw nila, because merong guidelines ang Shopee when it comes to packaging. Kasi kahit tanggapin nila yan, kapag dumating yan sa next sort out facility nila, hindi rin tatanggapin. So, sayang talaga yung time na ibabalik again sa inyo. Kaya make sure na familiar din kayo with the packaging guidelines para maiwasan again yung rejection during the pick-up process. So, these are the things that I would like to share with you. Hopefully, makatulong sa inyo. Kung ano yung sa tingin nyong makakatulong, then apply it. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share this information sa mga co-sellers natin para magkaroon din sila ng idea at makasali din sila sa fast shipping program, especially na ayan nga tumataas na naman yung commission fee rates natin with Shopee. If you wanted to know the updated commission rates starting April 1, 2024, please check that video. Available din yan sa ating channel. Again guys, you can browse through all the learnings that we have on this channel. For sure ako, maraming opportunities and learnings kayong makukuha, and feel free to share it to those people na possible matulungan. And see you sa ating next knowledge sharing. I hope to see you guys again and again. So thank you so much. Feel free to recommend any topic that you would like me to discuss or present to you.